Hello guys, welcome back. Here I have the SONY Xperia 1 Mark III, and today I'll show you how to remove a screen lock if you forget your PIN, pattern, or password. First, turn off your device completely. Then hold the power key and volume down at the same time for a few seconds. After the screen turns on, release the power key and keep holding only volume down. In the recovery menu, use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. Then choose Wipe Data Factory Reset. Confirm by selecting Factory Data Reset and wait for the data wipe to complete. Once finished, select Reboot System Now and the device will restart in about a minute. That's it, thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel.